Alright everybody, here from my bed. Welcome back to a brand new video, brand new vlog here on the channel. It is, can you see that? 1:53 p.m. June 17 of 2023, and this thing is really not focusing. Alright, anyway, so we're gonna be going to the show today. AEW Collision. You know what that means? CM Punk's return to professional wrestling once again. They're saying he came back from an injury, which he did get injured, but we all know there was another reason why he was out for so long. But yeah, CM Punk is back. Well, he'll be back in a few hours. You guys probably haven't seen this yet. I put this up on my I put this up at my room's wall. WWE Championship poster, as you can see. But today's not about WWE, today's about AEW. But before we get started on that, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm living in a new house, obviously. I don't know if I told you, I'm pretty sure I did. I told you guys I was moving last year. So I've been living here for over a year now, literally. Actually, it's about to be a year. The 1st of July is when I first officially moved here, I think. But anyway, you guys probably recognize this right here. This is from my last vlog when I went to Monday Night Raw at the Allstate Arena. So yes, this is not the only kind of video. If you guys are new to the channel, I make more videos and more vlogs like this. It's pretty much what my channel is based on. For the most part, is just wrestling vlogs. I go to WWE and AEW shows in the Chicago area, from places to the Winchester Arena, Now Arena, United Center, Allstate Arena. So stay tuned. So we got two options here. Which one we going for? Chicago AEW shirt or CM Punk shirt? That's a little bit old looking because it's been washed many times and it looks ladies and gentlemen, so with that being said, consider subscribing once again if you're new to the channel. I'll let the man of the day, the man of the hour, say it himself.
Hey, make sure that you subscribe to Eric Vlogs Life. His content is great. All right, keep the video going.
Yeah, I think AI is going to take over this world. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and transition to later on today when I leave my house, because yes, we gotta get going. Obviously not right now. We still got stuff to do, but I'll see you guys when I leave on the day that CM Punk has finally returned to All Elite Wrestling. We are ready to go. It is now time. It is 4 p.m. We're gonna head out. Doors open at 5, as always. Show starts at 6. The main show starts at 7, but they always, you know, started at 6. They always, I think they're gonna tape some stuff. I don't know. Man, I'm very excited. But we're missing something right here. My other battery for my camera. I use 2 because one of them always runs out first. But yeah, now they're both fully charged and we're ready to go. I'll see you guys very soon. Alright, we're here. United Center. And here I am with my CM Punk shirt. I am very excited. We're back. Okay, so I forgot my battery, my second battery in the car, so I'm going back to get it. Alright, there we go. Alright, we go. Going.
So we were finally in the United Center at our seats, and they were about to tape ROH as they usually do before the actual show starts. But we weren't really interested in watching that, so we went to buy some merch, and the line was pretty long, but we got through. And so I explored my options. A lot of shirts were available, a lot of amazing shirts, and I myself decided to get one with the AEW Collision logo. And I also got another shirt, a different one, for my girlfriend for her birthday, and her being a CM Punk fan. And since she's gonna be watching this video after her birthday, happy birthday, my love, and I hope you love the video. wait, no, not video. I hope you love the shirt and the video.
Tony Khan! Punk, CM Punk, CM Punk, CM Punk, CM Punk, CM Punk. Oh, let's go! Woo! Wow, there he is. He's back. One more time. Looking right.
With a ruptured tricep tendon torn straight off the bone. Wow! We all know I probably would have lost that one a long time ago.
Triple H don't want your goofy ass.
So tonight we're going to have a little conversation about the future, but first I would like to have a little conversation about my past. I held what's in this bag above my head.
That ice cream!
Christian Cage. Alright, we're eating popcorn here. Yeah. Oh, what a way to end the match by tap out. Woo. El ídolo. There he is. Sky Blue is coming out after her. So, yeah. Yep, there we go. Sky Blue. Joe. Woo! FTR, here we go. Here we go, Punk time. Punk time. Oh, here we go. Oh, no way. No way. Oh, shoot. Oh, there, that's it. Alright, so we're out of the United Center. We're here. There's a building behind us over there. There's trucks with the AEW trucks, I believe. Some producers, wrestlers maybe, who knows, are down there. But either way, we're going back to the car. Then we're gonna go home. I don't know what else to add to it. I mean, this was a really good show. You know, I'm grateful to God for it. But I don't know what else to say. Tomorrow I'll make it. I'll finish the outro tomorrow. So yeah. But anyway, so Dynamite's this week here in the Winchester Arena. I'm not gonna be going, but should be fun. I'm definitely gonna be watching it because some good matches are gonna be coming up. CM Punk being back is definitely something great. You know, it's amazing. I'm happy I got to experience it. But we are leaving now, and yes, I got my shirt, and we bought shirts too. But yes, that's it pretty much. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. So yeah.
And that wraps up this vlog, ladies and gentlemen. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed. This isn't the only wrestling vlog you'll find on my channel though. If you guys want to go check out more vlogs, make sure you subscribe and check out my other videos. There will be a card above where I show you some. I go from AEW vlogs to WWE vlogs as well, to even the first time that CM Punk came to AEW. I was there, and many other times that he was here in Chicago. I went to go see him, and I vlogged every single one of those times. So go check out my other vlogs.